Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some of my super random lifestyle favorites at the moment. These are things that I think make a big difference in like everyday life and that maybe not everybody knows about. So I'm just going to get started. The first one here is a purse clip. So this is super convenient for when you're going out for dinner or just going out and you don't want your purse to be on the floor or you don't have anywhere to hang it behind you. So I will kind of insert like a little demo clip, but basically you just unravel this little circle, stick this on the table, this hangs and it actually holds your purse. So it's really convenient. I got these off of Amazon and I got a pack of 12 for like under $10 and these ones were really cute. This one I have mentioned in a previous video and it is the Turby Twist. So this is for when you get out of the shower and your hair is wet. You literally just put this part over your head, you kind of twist your hair in it, and then it clips through this loop. So it keeps your wet hair off of your back and out of the way so you don't have to waste another towel. And it's really great at absorbing a lot of the water so it saves drying time. And I think I found this at Walmart for literally like $3. This third one is really random, I guess they all are, but this is a retractable lint roller. And this one is called Flint, and I got it at Bed Bath & Beyond. I think this is super convenient because it's perfect for travel if you need to bring it with you somewhere. It's not gonna be sticking against everything else in the bag, so you can cover up the sticky part and take it with you to go, but also for storing it in your house. I really don't like to leave like the sticky part open because if it falls on something, it's just messy. So the next item is this 10-foot charging cord for my phone. This has made a huge difference. I put it next to my bed so that when I'm charging it before I go to sleep, I'm not like restricted to one corner to be able to text. It lets you move freely, or if you want to put this in your living room so you can sit on your couch and still be able to access your phone while it's charging. This here is my body pillow, and this was only $10, and I think you can find them at Target or any sort of store like that. Highly recommend this as well. It made a huge difference when I'm sleeping. It's really great for kind of like cushioning between your knees and like giving your body more support when you sleep. So the camera died, but the last two are just these workout bands and ankle weights. So if you're working out at home, these make the biggest difference, and it actually makes working out a challenge with your own body weight. So I highly recommend those as well if you don't have access to a gym. Alright, so those are all of my current random lifestyle favorites. If you have any unique products, be sure to list them in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new. And of course, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!